Hello guys, we have some fabulous updates for you today, particularly the French version of Yahoo Answers. To support our French comrades in Europe, we now have French, German and Spanish countries supported alongside with the US. I know lots of people ask me sometimes saying things like, why don't you support the Australia, UK, etc. and other Western kind of countries. The reason for this is because if you're already in an English-speaking country and you use the American version of Yahoo Answers, if you structure your keywords or if you structure your questions appropriately, you should be automatically redirected. Granted your IP and that kind of stuff matches up. So I figured it wasn't as necessary to devote resources to these other countries when in fact we had higher demand for other languages, so Spanish, German, French, etc. We have a few others coming up soon, so China, Philippines, Argentina, blah 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 blah. And then in the future we might start supporting Australia, UK, and so forth. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get right into it and let me show you how this works. It's exactly the same as the existing version of Answer Result, except now we just have French to select here from the Answers website. Everything else is exactly the same. You still search questions, post questions, answer questions, all that kind of stuff. Exactly the same. You don't have to buy any existing add-ons. It's completely free of charge if you're an existing Answer Result customer. You just update your program to version 11.42 and you'll see this little thing come up here. So let me show you an example. First, I'm going to search up a question in French. Let's just say, comment is. Let's be more specific. Say iPhone, just because I don't really know much French. But you'll see all the French results coming by now. I have max questions set to 10, so it's going to be back 10 questions. If we use a debug window, you'll see that it's going to go to the French version. Okay, so right here you have the French questions brought back. You can answer in French if you have a, if you want to answer in French, you have a French niche, whatever, answer in French. Show description again, exactly the same thing. It'll bring back the description of the question in French, blah blah blah. Yep, very simple to do. Fill in your answer, hit post, you're ready to go. So a whole new country is supported. Similarly, post your own questions in French. I'll give you an example of this because I can. Let's say this is the question. Actually, let's go back to. I'm actually going to the French website of Yahoo Answers, and let's pick up a question. Any question? That's a bit long. Let's go to another question. Okay, let's say that's the question. I'm just going to post the exact same one just for the purpose of give you an example. So let's pose the question there. Pick any account. Let's say this is the account we want to pick. Whatever your question is. Again, this is up to you. I'm merely using this as an example. Hit post. Okay, it's going to log in with that account. It's going to go to the French version of Yahoo Answers. It's going to post the question in a couple of seconds. You'll see down here it will say question posted. Okay, it's question posted. That's done. Getting a link. It's going to say please refresh, please wait. Okay, so that's done. Now if we go to post question and answers, remember this little title. Go down, hit refresh. Go down, and this is the question we just posted right here from our account. You can see it goes to the French version of Yahoo Answers, and this is our account, Yannick. That's my account. And see how easy it is. Now we can answer, accordingly with another account in the same way we'd do it usually. We'd go back to here. We'd select a different account. Let's say we want to select this one. We'd go down to here. If I knew what this meant, I would answer it accordingly and hit post, and you'd be ready to go. French version, very easy, free of charge if you're an existing Answer Result customer. Highly recommended. It's a whole new niche by itself. Now you can sell to your French affiliates, your European affiliates, whatnot. Let me know if you have any questions. We're constantly working on upgrading the application and making it, the cream of the crop essentially. So that's all for today. Where you can use the code SECRET74 to get a discount on Answer Result. That's SECRET and then the digits 74. So use that, score Answer Result today for $74 while it still lasts, and you can get me on live chat at our website. Thank you.